testament to the truck. She's holding up all right.
You ready for this, son?
I'm ready.
Traction control off. We're about out of gas and we're out of death. We're dead. All right, just do a donut right here.
Yeah. Do a proper donut. Don't pussy put it like you did earlier. That was so weak. It's not even worth watching. I've done a bigger skin in my underwear than what you just did then. That's a real testament to the truck. She's holding up all right.
Dude, I got so many achievements after that. I got the engine light, oil light, gas light. Just kidding.
Yeah, we'll see which one does a better burnout, throws roost better, gas or diesel. Got the F350 versus F250. Down below, which one, diesel or gas? All right, you ready?
Hey, there's so much dirt in here. Look at the wheel.
Get out of here.
You're not going anywhere. Forwards or backwards.
You don't think if I put it in reverse?
Try. Oh yeah, you got it. Yeah, careful your front don't fall in that hole.
I don't know, dude. The diesel dug pretty hard, dude. Mine just skidded on top. I think I had too much grip in these radar tires, dude. It's pretty sick, though. The diesels are badass, dude. I think diesel shuts gas every time. Diesel's got big power, but you never know until you try, so. I don't know, dude.
What does it look like? I didn't even see if my truck was turned on.
Yeah, I got either way, I got stuck in our backyard. The diesel digs way harder. Gas versus diesel donuts, which one's better? Let's see.
Dad head on right the center. Oh my god, did you see Donnie start running?
There you have it. When do you get to basically do big boy burnouts in $200,000 Ford trucks? That thing shreds. The diesel is so much faster than a gas truck, dude. It's not even in comparison. It's not even. I definitely should have got a diesel.
Jacko to the rescue once again. Oh, it's in there. Look at that. Right around the fuel line.
Are you serious?
Yeah. No, it didn't break it, luckily. We nearly caught on fire though. Oh, it's diesel, we wouldn't catch on fire.
We would explode.
No, it would be fine. You spin it, you clear the gap.
Yeah,
Down in there. Test this thing out. We got the gas burner. See if she can take down the diesel. Let's just throw her in low, hit the squiggly lines, the burnout. Traction control. Engage. Get loose. Here we go. Cooking up the donut. Just cruise it. Oh boy! Dude, it doesn't mean Reese, dude. Let's just dust it out the pool. Reese is gonna be pissed.
Oh, that's his brand.
Just work the garden, the whole deal. Ah, the dust is going right in the pool. Oh well, call it a day. Got everywhere, tractors, Can-Ams. Nice. Got two $100,000 trucks just doing donuts, just like people would just let alone just be so happy just to have one of these trucks. Just smashing them through the dirt. That's how you test them though, dude. That's why you get a truck. You don't get a truck to keep it clean. It probably looks like we're just two people that don't really care and just like destroying a couple $100,000 trucks out in the dirt, but it's not, dude. Actually, we're durability testing for Ford, and that's like a big deal. So if you're a guy who drives a truck that buys a nice new truck and you can wash it and you have the nice shiny wheels and you drive around town and never get it dirty, dude, go get a Tesla.
All the hard work behind the scenes that goes into this, it's all for you.
It's a quick wash job. All right, so we'll get down there, throwing some roos, some donuts. Pretty fun, huh? Going out there and shredding the new Ford trucks and testing out the tires and the wheels there. It's had a long-lasting relationship with methods, so sometimes you just gotta put them to the test, you know? It's one thing to have nice shiny wheels and cruise around town, but it's another thing to grab your son and just cut loose and throw some roost, right? So battle tested, man. Go get yourself some.